I'm Sean Cook, and this video is on the Community Affairs and Research Center. The following is from the Community Affairs and Research Center's website. It says, "Our mission is to empower the community and strengthen youth and families by promoting self-sufficiency through education, advocacy, and collaboration." The Community Affairs and Research Center, also known as CARC, formerly known as the Hispanic Affairs and Resource Center, is a nonprofit organization established in 1980. CARC is led by a dedicated board of directors consisting of community leaders. It offers a range of programs and services that operate from multiple locations, including the main office in Asbury Park and satellite offices in Freehold, Keyport, and Lakewood. These sites are easily accessible via public transportation. CARC is committed to serving all individuals, irrespective of age, sex, creed, color, national origin, sex, sexual orientation, or functional capacity. Initially, CARC primarily served the Hispanic community with Caribbean heritage. However, today, CARC's clients are diverse, including Hispanics from various backgrounds, Haitians, African Americans, and Caucasians. Its social services aim to support economically disadvantaged individuals and families throughout Monmouth County, with the ultimate goal of revitalizing communities they serve. CARC stands out as one of the few service providers in the county that effectively caters to the linguistic and cultural diversity of the population. By employing a multilingual and multicultural approach, CARC acts as a proactive advocate for individuals and families who may otherwise face unmet needs due to language barriers, discrimination, and lack of cultural understanding. To overcome language barriers, CARC employs a team of multilingual staff members who are proficient in various languages commonly spoken by the community. This ensures that individuals can access services, ask questions, express concerns, and receive information through their preferred language. CARC provides interpretation and translation services to facilitate effective communication. This includes in-person interpretation during client meetings and appointments, as well as the translation of important documents and informational materials in multiple languages. By offering these services, CARC ensures that individuals can fully participate in their own care, understanding their rights and responsibilities, and making informed decisions. CARC actively seeks partnerships with community organizations, ethnic associations, and religious groups to expand its cultural reach. By collaborating with these organizations, CARC can tap into their networks, gain insights into specific cultural needs, and access resources that further enhance its ability to serve the economically disadvantaged population effectively. Here are some of the different forms of service that CARC offers: comprehensive eviction programs, domestic violence, education, employment, health and wellness, homelessness, and lead programs. Through these diverse forms of service, the Community Affairs and Resource Center demonstrates its dedication to improving the lives of individuals and strengthening the communities they serve. By providing social services, educational programs, volunteer opportunities, advocacy, cultural activities, outreach, and collaborative efforts, CARC strives to address the multifaceted needs of the community and foster positive change. CARC recognizes the urgency and complexity of this issue and provides a range of services to address the immediate safety needs, emotional well-being, and long-term recovery of domestic violence victims. These are some of the key components of CARC's domestic violence victims assistance. Safety and crisis plans assess the individual's immediate safety needs and outline strategies to mitigate risks. Emergency shelter and transitional housing provides housing options, ensuring a secure environment where victims and their children can escape abusive situations. Counseling services have highly trained counselors and provide individual and group therapy sessions, helping survivors heal, rebuild self-esteem, manage trauma symptoms, and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Trained advocates offer legal assistance and guidance, helping survivors navigate the legal system, obtain protective orders, and understand their rights and options. Secondary prevention for domestic violence focuses on early intervention and support for individuals who already experience domestic violence. The goal is to address the immediate safety needs of the victims and provide them with the necessary tools and resources to break the cycle of violence. CARC focuses on outcome-based evaluation, which involves assessing the long-term effects and impacts of its programs and services on individuals and communities. This approach looks beyond immediate outputs and examines the positive changes in clients' lives, such as improved social integration, increased employment opportunities, enhanced educational attainment, and overall well-being. CARC collects and analyzes relevant data to monitor and evaluate its programs. This includes quantitative data, such as the number of individuals served, demographics, and program participation rates. Qualitative data, such as client testimonials and success stories, is also gathered to gain insights on the experiences and outcomes of those who have benefited from CARC services. CARC actively seeks feedback from its clients, partners, and stakeholders through surveys, interviews, and focus groups. These feedback mechanisms provide valuable insights to the satisfaction levels, perceived impact, and suggestions for improvement. By incorporating this feedback into planning and decision-making, CARC ensures that its programs are responsive in the evolving needs of the community. CARC collaborates with other organizations, government agencies, and community stakeholders to create comprehensive solutions and maximize its impact. Through these partnerships, CARC can leverage shared resources, expertise, and data to assess the collective outcomes and measure the overall success of collaborative initiatives. As for the accessibility of this community center, all contact info is posted at the beginning of this video, and at least one line of communication is available at all times. Thank you for watching.